All right. Well, today we're going to be doing a unboxing. Um, Also today in the breezeway slash DJ room. I'm also a DJ, guys. Let me get you set up. We're going to be doing an unboxing on this winch here. Yeah. So my daughter and her fiance got me this winch here for my four-wheeler with the plow on it for Christmas. And let's see here. This is all what it comes with here. It's from Harbor Freight, my favorite store. All right. Really nice of those kids getting me this. Very nice. Comes with instructions, of course. Can you see it? What's going on here? All right. Sorry about the shaking, guys. All right. Comes with instructions. Comes with the strap. Pretty cool, right? The remote. Nice long cord. This is very important right here. Very important. Is it resettable? No, but still, you know, it's a 50 amp. So that thing is really, you know. All right. We got some hardware here. Got a little boot. Little boot. Another little boot. Probably for those connections on the battery there. All right, let's actually take this out so we can get to the actual winch. It's kind of heavy, you know. So, yeah, she's pretty heavy for being, you know. Yeah. So let's check her out here. Made by Badland. 2,000 capacity. Enough for what we're doing here. You know. I might even get another one actually for my trailer. For when I'm picking up stuff, I don't have to pull it. You know, guys, when you get older, work smarter, not harder. I mean, you're gonna tear your body up. Believe me, I know. So, just a little tip there. You young guys out there, don't be He-Man and everything that you grab up, because you're gonna be hurting in the long run. Yeah, this is really nice of those kids giving me this. You know, let's see what this says here. There's pull out and turn to free spool it. Must be fully extended to power. All right, sweet. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Nice and heavy. Got some pretty good size terminals right here. That's very important, you know, because you're going to be rocking and rolling. Man, that was awesome. Well, guys, that's about it. With that being said, remember, it's just nuts and bolts, and God bless.